Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Ons. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to install the one APK file, and this is that message. There was a problem while parsing the package. So how to get rid of this error message? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this issue happening? And this is occurs for two possible reasons. And the first one is due to corrupted APK file, which means that if your APK file is not downloaded completely, it shows this kind of message. So just check your APK file if it is completely downloaded or not. And the second one of the reason is due to some Android settings. So anyway, if you like to fix it, just open your settings menu and locate the settings name called privacy protection and click to open it, and click on this option special permissions. So here I try to access install unknown apps, and it shows me all installed applications, but here you can locate that Google Chrome and click to enable this option. So next you can locate file manager and click to allow this permission. So same way you can allow this permission for gallery. So after you done these processes and go back to the settings main menu. So now this time I try to access app settings and click to open it and go to manage apps. So here you can locate that package installer and click to open it and slightly scroll down and click to enable this option install apps from unknown source, and one time clear the tab data and close all the windows. So after you done these processes and one more time, you can try to install that previously problem occurred APK file. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Ons, and thanks for watching.